The first example and the simplest version of this one that I could possibly think of was, how do I get the current stock price of a company based off of the stock ticker? And so I created an AI agent that prompts the user to enter a stock symbol or a ticker, and then it will go and get the current price of that company and return it to the user in this chat interface. You can see that I tested it on multiple different companies. If there's an error or a ticker that's not valid, it's going to say it's not valid. And so the flow looks very similar to the example I showed previously. There's a user and an AI agent conversation, just like this. The user is going to send, what's the stock price of Meta? The AI agent knows that it needs to extract that data, the ticker of Meta, because that data is what's going to be sent to the code. Now, this code will take the user's input of Meta, and then it's going to request the stock price from the Alpha Vantage API. Now, the Alpha Vantage API is a public and free API that has all current stock price data. So I'm basically telling, hey, Alpha Vantage, what's the current price of Meta? And then it instantly responds, hey, the current price of Meta is, in this case, $489.77. And that information is going to get tracked back through Alpha Vantage, back through our code, back to the AI agent, at which point it's going to formulate it into its answer and response and make it look pretty like this, and it's going to send the response.